Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. So the last topic of this redox reaction is balancing redox reactions. How to balance the redox reactions? The redox reactions can be balanced with the help of two methods. We discuss only one method in this video. That is oxidation number method. Oxidation number method is an important way to balance the redox reaction. How to balance the chemical reactions? By using this oxidation number method. So various steps involving this process are given below. First one, write down the skeletal equation. Various reactants and products participate in the particular process. First step, write down the skeletal equation. For example, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. In the second stage, you can find out the oxidation number of various elements participate in the particular process or elements present in the reactants and the products. Find out the oxidation state. So, we know that zinc exists in the free state, the oxidation state is 0. Hydrochloric acid, hydrogen shows the oxidation state of +1 and chlorine shows the oxidation state of -1. Zinc chloride, you find out the oxidation state of zinc, X plus 2 chlorine, 2 into -1 equal to 0, X minus 2 equal to 0, X is equal to +2. So, zinc shows the oxidation state of +2. And chlorine, now you find out the oxidation state of chlorine. So, +2 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x is equal to -2, x is equal to -1. Chlorine shows the oxidation state of -1. So, +2 comma -1. And hydrogen in the molecular states, its oxidation state is 0. So, second stage. Second stage indicate the oxidation number of all the atoms in each compound above the symbol of the element. First stage skeletal form, second stage zinc, 0 oxidation state, and hydrochloric acid, hydrogen +1, chlorine -1 oxidation state. Zinc chloride Zn +2, Cl -1 plus hydrogen in the 0 oxidation state. Third stage is predict whether the process, what are the types of process or which element to which element oxidation as well as reduction takes place. Third stage, identify the element or elements which undergo oxidation or reduction. So, you look at this equation, zinc in the 0 oxidation state is changed to +2 oxidation state. So, increase of oxidation state, increase of oxidation number is called oxidation. Here hydrogen in the +1 oxidation state to 0 oxidation state. So, decrease of oxidation state is called reduction. Now, we are predicting the process, oxidation as well as reduction. The fourth stage is how much quantity of, how much the oxidation as well as reduction increase or decrease by the process. Here, zinc changes from 0 oxidation state to +2, increase by 2. Hydrogen changes from +1 oxidation state to 0 oxidation state. Therefore, the decrease the value by 1. So, the increase or decrease, how much quantity of increase or decrease? Here hydrogen changes from +1 to 0. So, decrease by 1 value. Here zinc changes from 0 to +2, increase the value by 2. So, in the reaction, zinc undergoes oxidation by loss of 2 electrons. That 2 must be multiplied in the next reactant, that is hydrochloric acid. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 and hydrogen. Zn2Cl2 and hydrogen. In the fifth stage, normal balancing by varying the reactant and products by multiply by suitable number. Here normal reactants, that is zinc, here 1 mole of zinc is there, here also 1 zinc, they are totally balanced. Chlorine 2 chlorine and here 2 chlorine atoms are present, so balanced. Suppose it is not balanced means you can add a suitable number of moles either in the reactant side or it is in the product side. The next stage is, sixth stage is balanced other than the elements, that is oxygen and hydrogen. You balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. In the seventh stage, you may balance the oxygen. How to balance the oxygen? Look at the reactants and products. In which side, either reactant side or the product side, oxygen is excess. The lowest side, either reactants or product side, such quantity of water molecule is added. Water molecule is added. In which side oxygen is lower. Suppose the reactant side, 4 oxygen atoms are present. In the product side, only 2 oxygen atoms are present means, in the product side, what you are adding 2 water molecules added in the product side. Okay. Last you can add the balance the hydrogen atoms. For balancing the hydrogen atoms, here also in which side the hydrogen atom is less, you can add the H plus. So finally the equation is balanced. The equation is completely balanced. Here 2 hydrogen atom and here 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is the balanced form of equation. In this way you can balance the normal chemical reactions. Let us consider this example. Copper reacts with concentrated nitric acid. Copper reacts with concentrated nitric acid, gives copper nitrate and nitrogen dioxide gas. The normal equation is like this. It is written copper reacts with nitric acid, gives copper nitrate CuNO3 twice, NO2 gas and water. This is a normal equation, but the equation is written in the ionic form. So don't bother about the ionic form or it is in the direct form. First step, you find out the oxidation state. This is a skeletal form of equation. Oxidation state of copper, in the free state it is 0. Nitrogen, you find out the oxidation state of nitrogen. NO3 minus X minus 6 equal to minus 1. So X is equal to minus 1 plus 6. So X is equal to plus 5. Nitrogen in the plus 5 oxidation state. And oxygen. Oxygen, we know that in the compound it exists as minus 2 oxidation state. Here nitrogen plus 4 oxidation state, oxygen minus 2 oxidation state, copper 2 plus. Third stage, predict the oxidation as well as reduction process. Cu 0 state to Cu plus 2 state. So increase of oxidation by 2, that is called oxidation. And NO3 minus nitrogen in the plus 5 oxidation state to NO2, that is minus 2 oxidation state. So that decrease of oxidation state is called reduction. Decrease of oxidation state called reduction. And equate the the reactants and products. Equate the reactants and products by changing this the nature of the process. Increase by copper exists as 0 state to the +2 state. So, increase by 2 number. Therefore, in the 4th stage, copper 2NO3 2 minus gives NO2 plus Cu2 plus. In the 5th stage, balancing other elements except oxygen and hydrogen. Here nitrogen 2 nitrogen atoms are there, here only 1, therefore you add 2 copper 2NO3 2 minus 2NO2 plus copper 2 plus. So now other elements are balanced. Now we are going to balance the oxygen. Here 6 oxygen atoms are present. 6 oxygen atoms, here only 4 oxygen atoms are present. So in the product side, 2 oxygen atoms are less. So I already told you how much quantity of oxygen atom is less, that much quantity of water molecule is added. Water molecule is added. So the equation in the 6th stage like this: copper 2NO3 minus 2NO2 plus Cu2 plus 2 molecule of oxygen, water molecule is added. Now oxygen is balanced. Here 6 oxygen atom, here 4 plus 2 6 oxygen atom. Now hydrogen is not balanced. So here 4 hydrogen atoms are present. So that much quantity of hydrogen atom is added in the reactant side. So the copper 2NO3 minus plus 4H plus ion gives 2NO2 plus copper 2 plus and 2H2. So this is the balanced form of equation. This is the way to balance the chemical reactions by using oxidation number method. Either in the normal state or in the ionic state, we are easily balance the equation by using these techniques. So if you have any doubts, you may ask. In your textbook, some other problems are also worked out. You can concentrate that examples also. If you feel any difficult, you may ask. Thank you.